Good morning. It's Thanksgiving morning. And from the noisiest neighborhood in the known universe, welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0, YouTube's almost forgotten barbecue and grilling channel. Hey, I had burnout. Thanksgiving morning, we're already 5 hours into pork butt that has been on here for 5 hours, like I mentioned. Got the pork butt cooking. We've got a turkey in there. It is still brining right now, so should be anywhere between 12 to 16 hours for this anyway. I gotta say, the Grill Dome is doing amazing. It's held 250 to 270 all night long. 4 or 5 hours, however long it's been. Anyway, let's get on with it. We're gonna go back into the Wayback Machine where everything began with a single flame and a latte. Let the long, low, and slow begin. Right in the middle there. We're about 4 hours into this already, and check it out. I'm still sitting at 250 degrees. It's exactly what I wanted this to run at, this Grill Dome. And by golly, that's exactly what it's doing. You gotta love the Grill Dome. Either that or I have a commanding control over this thing. It always does what I want. So 4 hours in, 8 to 12 more to go. Good. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? The Grill Dome has been running just like this for 12 hours. We're going to take a temperature and see if this is ready. I happen to have trusty Mr. Purple Thermo Pop. This is the first time I'm opening it. The Grill Dome, that is. 12 hours. Are you ready? We're looking for an internal temperature of 195. Oh my goodness. Let's go. 36. 194, 200, 202. It's gonna top out right there. 205, 206. We're done. We're gonna wrap this thing up. We're going to take it inside for a rest. And this thing is really, really tender too, I'll tell you what. Be right back. I'll pull the pork off of the grill dome, try and get it in here without it falling apart on me, because that's what it wants to do. So here we go. About 40 degrees Fahrenheit, maybe 45 when I first came out here last night. Thought we were going to have kind of a nice warm holiday type of hue out here, but obviously a cold front came through. All right, let me grab the pork. I'll be right back. Oh my God, it's falling apart on me. Here we go. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this in one fell swoop. I'm not. One fell swoop. Okay, run. Oh my goodness. You have no idea how tender, flavorful. Well, it's going to be flavorful. All right, we want to get this out of the wind. All right. And we're going to wrap it. Wrap it good. Probably ought to bring you in here so you can see what I'm doing, right? Definitely want the pork butt to rest. Preferably in room temperature, not this cold north wind that's destroying my mojo right now. Towel on the bottom, towel on the top. Right, let's get this inside. There we go.
Before I begin with everything else, I am going to enjoy the fruits of my labor. And then later, I will enjoy the fruits of my wife's labor.
That was 19 years ago, Dad.
I was gonna say. Nice and hot. All right. Since I have never had blues hog before, really, seriously, how can you be a pit master and you've never had blues hog? I want to try this blues hog Smoky Mountain. We also have regular, what is this? Original blues hog. And this, my next sandwich is going to have this sriracha honey. Tabanero. There's a tilt
All right,
at the end.
it's recording.
Yeah, but it's okay. I can get rid of that. I can zoom.
That's okay.
I just want to take a taste of this real quick. Okay. Real quick like. One. Not enough. Alright. Thanks for watching. Let the feast begin here.
All right. Let's go.